Welcome to Casa West in Upper La Floresta, Chapala, Mexico. This is the main entrance. This is the garden. Hot water tank and half bathroom in there. Now we're going to walk around towards the garage. This is the garage here. There is approval from the fraccionamento to build a casita above that. This is the garage. Cistern in the floor. Automatic doors. Property is only 1 year old. Now we're walking down the side of the house. Beautiful awnings. Side entry door enters into the side of the kitchen. Have your own outdoor kitchen. Entry into the kitchen. Now those windows all slide back into this wall and into the wall over there, so it becomes completely open. Beautiful area for entertaining. Covered over. Fireplace. Now they've also installed pull down blinds all the way along for when the rain comes. This is into the master bedroom. These doors and windows all slide into either side as well to leave it fully, completely open. Beautiful gardens. Beautiful pool. And this is the outside of Casa West.